Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, I'm going to show you how to make a controlled jibe. When you're running before the wind or on a deep, broad reach, there's always a risk of a flying jibe where the boom swings out of control from one side to the other. This could cause injury or damage to fittings, and I'm going to show you a few techniques you can use aboard your boat to prevent this. Set the boom vang with moderate tension and coil your jib sheets and main sheet ready to run free. Sail into a deep, broad reach, which is that point of sail where the jib is just past the point of collapse. If you see the jib just start to collapse, head up just a couple of degrees until the jib fills. This will indicate that you are on a deep, broad reach. You want to pick a steady up point, which is a point ahead of the boat that will help you maintain course. This can be a building or a point of land. At sea, use your compass. Now let's preset the windward sheet for the jibe. Place 2 or 3 wraps onto the windward sheet winch. Pull in the windward sheet. Notice in the illustration how the distances from the clew to the lead block on both sides are now about equal. Cast off the leeward sheet. Again, concentrate on the point ahead and pull in your main sheet until the boom is close to the center line as shown. When you are ready to jibe, use just enough rudder to get the boat to turn. You want to make this turn as slow as possible to the opposite tack. The boom will jibe to the opposite side of the boat, as will the preset jib. Ease the main sheet all the way and allow the boom to run out fast and smooth. Pick a new steady up point ahead and steer on that point. Again, use the jib to help you maintain a deep, broad reach. If you see the jib just begin to collapse, head up a couple of degrees to keep the jib filled and pick a new steady up point. Use these sailing tips to help you make smoother, easier, and safer jibes when single or short-handed. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.